Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna Chehel, the face behind Get Ready with Mama. Today, in the first episode, we will discuss how little tweaks can actually change your style. During midlife, we kind of get stuck with things. We get with our style, clothes, we are scared to change our wardrobe, though our bodies have changed. Today, let's talk about the most powerful tool for confidence, how you dress up. We take it very normally, especially in our 40s. हम काफ़ी comfortable हो जाते हैं with our dressing, with our style. We're dressing up more functional and not for ourselves. So I think now is the time, now that kids have grown up, all of you should actually focus back on yourself, because how you style, how you dress up actually affects not just you but the people around and your whole personality. So today we will discuss how and why is it so important. So there was actually a time, I would say in my late 30s and very early 40s, when I would find myself mostly in track pants and in very comfortable pants which had no fit but pure comfort level. And I was wearing that style till I was 45 almost. And dresses which had no fit, they were just flared and very big oversized pieces just to hide myself, but not anymore. I realized that is also hiding my personality. It is not reflecting anything on my personality, on what I want to be, how I want people to take me, and hence I changed few little things. Style is not about impressing anyone. It is actually something that you do for yourself, how you feel about yourself, how you want others to see you. I have actually seen everyone around me respect me more, pay more attention to what I say when I'm dressed well. So, one of the most important things to start with is get clear in your vision of how you want to look. What is that you like? How I started honestly was I do browse Pinterest and Instagram. All of us are on Instagram. I actually started saving reels and following people who I like. And then I noticed a pattern. I'm sure all of you will also do that. When you go back and check content creators that you are following, especially in fashion, you will notice a pattern. You would be liking most of them. Like, I followed people who wore clothes which are wearable in every day, which are more practical, everyday fashion. And you'll see that pattern. What is your style? Do you like women who wear plain colors? Are you somebody who's a maximalist and love patterns? You love dresses? So these are the small little patterns that you see, and all you have to do is just go back to your browsing history and see what are the kind of people that you follow, what are the patterns that you follow, and that will actually tell you what your personality is to start with. And I actually saw the changes when I started dressing intentional, not fancy, not over the top, intentionally knowing what fits my body, what looks good on my body, and just taking care of little things, that my clothes are ironed, they're not torn, they fit me well, they're not loose on me or too tight. Just for an example, I noticed that I like monochromatic looks a lot. Whether it is Western or Indian wear, I really love plain colors head to toe. I think it's easy to style them. They are timeless, they are classic. So that's one pattern that I recognized with me. With you, it could be you like florals, you like dresses. First thing would be to identify what is that you like. Second most important step is to edit your wardrobe. I know it is very difficult. Most of us will find it really difficult to do this, to actually go back, open your wardrobes and see what is that you have not worn for over a year. I do this exercise every year now. Every year around my birthday, I just put all my clothes on the bed and see what is that I have not worn in last 1 year. Could be the size that doesn't fit me now well, or a pattern or a style which is no more in, and I let go of it. I know it's very difficult, ladies. I know we have clothes in our wardrobe which are as old as 20 years, but it is the time to let go of them. Yes, those styles might come back, but our bodies might not fit into that. I think edit your wardrobe is one of the most important things that we need to diligently do once a year. So go back today, open your wardrobe, see what is that is not your style. If you have identified from the step 1, doing step 2 is extremely easy. Step 3, this is my favorite and it's my go-to. So I actually have created a space in my wardrobe where I have pieces which really fit me well. I know for sure they will fit me well and they will look good. I also have sets in that. I have few quad sets which I know if I'm in a hurry and I need to get ready fast, I can just pull that out and wear. So one of such pieces is this emerald top which I love. I know this will always fit me well. It looks good on me. The color is beautiful. So actually have a section arranged in your wardrobe where you know these pieces will always fit you well. Trust me, this will save so much of time, so much of effort, and is such a stress-free exercise. When you know what to wear, you understand half of the job is done. You know, when you have to step out. Step 4, grooming and being polished. I know somewhere in 40s we get very lazy with doing our hair, nails and everything. But ladies, this is one of the things that if you do intentionally will speak a lot about you. I pay a lot of attention to how my hair look. And yes, this has started in I would say last 2-3 years only that I've intentionally started styling my hair. Yes, the styling video for my hair will come soon. That is one thing I ensure once a week. I give them a nice hair wash. I blow dry my hair. They look nice and neat. If not open, then I will have them tied, but nicely. Nails, something we think who will see, but trust me, nails, your hands, your heels, these are the small little things that everyone unintentionally pays attention to. I mean, आप खुद ही देख लेना, you will definitely end up looking at others' nails and feet. So it is very important to take care of yours too, to look polished all the time. And one of the most important things is you must dress for the day. Like if you know it is going to be a very long day with kids, doing the grocery, then wear a very comfortable denim or a dress that will take you through the whole day. Don't end up wearing something that will look good but feel extremely uncomfortable. If you're not comfortable in a jeans, you might feel nobody will notice, but everyone notices. Everyone notices when you're adjusting a dress, you're pulling your denims up. So these are small things that you must pay attention to every day when you dress up. Dress up for the day, dress up for the work that you have ahead. It's a very small thing. If you're somebody who's always found in pajamas, who's always saying, "Nahin, I like comfortable, I like comfort," just make a little shift. Dress intentionally and you'll actually see the difference everywhere. You will see the difference in your energy, in the way you go out and put yourself. You will actually see the difference. The confidence that comes with dressing up well, with the grooming. Style is not about being overdressed. It's only about being consistent in looking your best, in looking that you have put an effort to actually step out presentable. And trust me, this is very easy to do. So these 4 to 5 steps that I've told you, try this today and do let me know in comments. So if you're ready to reinvent yourself and upgrade your style, do press the subscribe button.